Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope all are doing fine. So today's video is all about making our own handmade candles. So I know most of you are excited to watch and learn. So let's begin without wasting any more time. So I'm going to use two different molds. In one I'm going to do a pillar candle and the other I'm going to do a flower bouquet candle. Let me show you how it looks from the inside. We will take the wick a little longer than our mold. We will insert the wick from the back of the mold with the help of a sharp object. Do not insert the sharp object too deep or else you will damage the mold. Now pull from the other side. We will take the required wax and melt it in a double boiler method. Now since this flower bouquet has two colors, pink and green, the roses are going to be pink and the leaves are going to be green. So we'll take the wax only now for the pink roses. Using the double boiler method, we will melt the wax. Now while the wax is being melted, we'll prepare a color. So I'm going to use pink and I've added some coconut oil in that. Once the wax is completely melted, I will add my color and any fragrance of your choice to the melted wax. Mix well. So I am going to pour my melted wax only till the flower section. Remember, we have to pour the other wax for the leaves, which is in the second section. I had a little wax remaining, so I poured it in one of my small flower mold. Now remember, the second color will come in this mold only once this is cooled down at least 75 to 80%. So let me show you how to make the pillar candle. You can make lovely pillar candles as per your choice with two colors or even one color. You will need a wick and a wick sustainer. So the wick has to be a little longer than the mold and we'll insert it in the wick sustainer and tie a knot from behind. Cut off the extra part as shown. I am going to stick it with the help of a glue gun. If you don't have a glue gun, you can simply dip this wig in hot melted wax and then stick it. For pillar candles, we have to apply some coconut oil for these types of mold. Use your fingers to grease the mold well. Now your mold is all ready for the pouring. I have melted the wax in a double boiler method and I will add the color and some fragrance oil. Mix well and pour. See that the wig is always kept in the middle. You could use the help of 2 toothpicks or 2 ice cream sticks. Now we leave it to cool completely for few hours. Let's continue making the flower bouquet. For this I have already melted some wax and I am going to add my green color. Mix well. Now remember, certain colors you have to mix in coconut oil. Certain colors which I have made the pillar candle, we don't have to mix in coconut oil. So there'll always be some instructions when you buy your colors from the candle shop. So please read carefully. Always remember, before adding the second color to the same mold, you will have to see that the wax is cooled 75 to 80% and not cooled completely. So with the help of the toothpick, you will make some holes. This is in order for the next wax to go inside the other color and stick to it. I have demolded these candles at least after 12 hours, and just with the help of your 2 palms, rub it nicely and it will come out very easily. That's because you have applied coconut oil. Aren't they so pretty? Look at how the 2 colors have turned out. So perfect. Cut off the extra. So here your beautiful homemade candles are ready. You can gift them to some of your friends for their birthdays or anniversaries. You can make them in different colors. You can use 2-3 colors for your pillar candles and they look awesome, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I have enjoyed sharing this video with you all. And if you have enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and leave your valuable comments below, which helps me and motivates me to make more videos. Thank you, and until we meet again, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.